Never be ashamed of your hustling. If you are broke, no one will feed you, my brother. So be dirty to get your food is better than for you to be clean and be hungry. It does not matter how the work look like. Just make sure that the work is capable of helping you to achieve your dream. Or make sure that the work is capable of feeding you and your family. So don't bother how the title of the work look like. A lot of people use some work that will make us to become someone in future. We look at the title or the dirtiness of the work, and we refuse not to put ourselves into such work. And is such work to who will make you to become someone tomorrow to come. My brother, my sister, as you are watching me, any work that you are doing, don't bother the title of the work. Don't bother how the work is dirty. Just make sure that the work will feed you. Just make sure that the work is able to give your support or to provide your needs. Thank you very much. You watch me up to this level. I wish you to give me a big thumbnail, a big subscribe, because subscribing is free. Thank you very much for watching me.